off the video that we just watched, we're going to make sure we understand the other parts of lines, and which is segments. I'm going to get you a highlighter if you have one. Where's my thing? Show it. There it is. All right, so it was discussed what a segment is. What's important is you need to know it's part of a line. You have two endpoints, okay? And we have symbols that we're going to use for segments. So the symbol for segment was just a line, or a little with no arrows on it. So understand, once we get you exposed to the symbol, we will not write the word anymore. It will be in a symbol form, and we expect you to interpret it and apply it. Now, what you need to understand, because here's where a misconception, this is important. If it's without a symbol on top, okay, that means distance or length. So if you're missing a symbol, it's asking or it's telling you a whole different information or part. Without a symbol, it's telling you to calculate or give the distance or length of that segment. Alright, so let me close this. We don't need that. Alright, for ray, it's also part of a line, but it only has one endpoint. Okay. And you identify the ray by listing the endpoint first. Our symbol for ray is an arrow, and it's always pointing to the right. Okay, orientation is not important. This is a universal symbol. And your endpoint is your starting point for a ray. Alright, so we also have opposite rays. Okay. To be an opposite ray, you have to have the same endpoint, same starting point. And opposite rays always form a line. That's very important. Most people forget this concept for some reason. So what we have here is ray RS, which is the red ray pointing to the right, extending to the right, and ray RQ, which is extending to the left. Now, I can draw an additional ray. Let's say I have ray RT. Although ray RT is not going in the same direction as RS or RQ, it is not an opposite ray to the other two. Why not? It's not an opposite ray. Yes? Okay. Well, it's intersecting. You're right. The point of intersection would be the same endpoint R. Okay, but something has to occur for it to be an opposite ray. It has to form something, yeah. It has to form a line. Okay, I would have to form an actual line. They have to have collinear points on the line to be opposite rays, okay? Now, let's just take what we did with the video and the symbols. Oops. And here's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to come by and just check real quick. Answers can vary because order doesn't matter when you're labeling, okay? And there's more than one type, more than just 4 possible answers here. So using the figure that's on your notes on the right, I want you to see, can you name 3 segments and 4 possible rays? 3 segments and 4 rays. I'll give you time to do that. Last question, let's do this together. LP and PL form a line. Everyone agree with that? Okay? Because here's LP going that way. PL going this way. They would overlap and they would form a line. Are they opposite rays? Yes. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Yes, they are going in opposite directions, but are they opposite rays?
Yeah, because they form a line.
Huh? What? Yeah, they don't start at the same point. This starts here at P, and the other ray starts at L. They have to start at the same point for it to be opposite ray. So this would be no, because is what I abbreviate for because, okay? Not the same, and then end point, and this is how I abbreviate end point, okay? Get used to my abbreviations. All right. All right, lines. All right, we're going to go ahead. The bell's about to start. So I need you tonight to finish. I'm just going to do the next section of notes. So basically, it's going to be pretty much the next page. I realize some of y'all didn't have to run it back. So finish your notes tonight on Emoto.